Piema ye ya sensuo ne beto ase ewia ne bo ase chese won se de hunde yakubia ntisi ye mo adwene ye mo a ne ye mo akye na no ano no ye de otwere amponyankrompo ase se na wo twefoforo wo de ye awramu ene eye dwoada eye August bosomene da toso eye dunkuno eja ye tisi mu si ye kwakopen konkonze ne bi edie no eye bia poapoa no awie susu no ye ba ne ye de ba besuma konakono so ensem no do so na poso enie mampani na nadodan kwa kufado srega na made hye se bia ya ba be drone ye to aba ye nto aba nyi mampani a obebu yen sen ye ohawo ba obedi dia temejwampo ade a kire yen
mampanya be dia kire dia to dwa wose nyame ya adom no ba ilevi ene to ye dabet so obeyi dia fi ho
sa so na Dr. Matthew Poko prempem ranse dwani o womranse je fie ma de hye wo manhia South Abato mpesua so kire se enne ye po bi e beto aba yi no se mampani a wono ene Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia if se wo mokro no so da
aboard chair ya Senator Jumako no wada no na ka sei wose Ghana yeti ya papa se NPP aban ene ti akonya so afa yabakwansan foforo na former Minister of Works and Housing Yera Samuel Atachia so akasa wose Japade document ni nyame no kwasem ni NDC fo boapa enomde abahye abayiko
ya te se nsuo ho ya ye dene e wo srem ma manfo ye mo hyehye o mo se wanhwe ya e de kom kese pa ne beba o mai
awanche kropon mo ya tete santo kwa bia sori won kromienu ntam amani pa baako wachina no
abzafo we ni afoforo pinu an ya kekese ne ne se kase ya bia wo bia na wiei ye ba ne de aba besomo ye mfa seda manyuma ekoyi
open internet papa no one cloud internet 21st clinic was a sciatica expert afei through herbal center yana ya de through core capsules koko masetedro no ade aba OCP Ghana Limited nie was OCP fertilizers papa wenya bia ebeboa papa mizo and 5G drink so atayechi na ayo no wa hye nso Sanyame ya domu abosumi ya wie 31st August Liberty Conference baso Express Group na de woto kwan ehe na apese okọ fabada one more na wonom emfa emwa o weni nyimako ahodo a wonom dom so ya senada da nyina wi apomto kase bomu no ya de babasom ya dom live ewo Facebook ya Sompa 93.1 YouTube no aye Sompa TV na yaso ayaje adwaba kankan semi krogen sesu chiremade amawo ayeme akosia aje wakode boaten mene
nana ya bo amalibi aboga
afenje brana nsem no yenchichi
ye hyase de Freeman Penny na nado dan kwaku forward watchman PC be ma boada na tena ye na enra na MPP amanyuko no bodwa e wato mantem mutakrade abonten so a omo eya amamre ne amane omo manifesto omo tirempo omo nsusuye ene omo ekwan omo peso omo de oman ne faso no Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia die animu a wono ebobo so de kire wo maye na eno na mampani na nado dan kwaku forward watchman PC be ma boada e ba be di Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia nde wone Dr. Matthew Poko prempe kabum apre mampani adwane de MPP amanyuko no wadanse e na ochese o my Ghana de hye so don for ye yadom na ketremada abuje moje de mafusane yantiate nkabone bia ne se nompe etwetwa nompe so na wede eteta wede so ne ye to aba December bosome de to so nso a ye hwese ye beto aba ama mampani a obebuye akwane sanyina mu ene abra nyina mu wode obuo ne onidie ebema omayi ene emu ade hye sense ye bekwa akoto aba yi mampani a ebra mu odin kakra bi ba ebra mu ya deni a obedi atam na watwitwa yempoa se mampani da John Dramani Mahama mampani na nado dan kwa kufu ado gina simpie so enrada e wotakrade abonten so a na odine mrantie mie no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene oye na bedi ekira odi MPP amanyoko nanim ene Dr. Matthew Poko prempe emrasebe dwani o womrasebe gefie ma desia o menhia South Abato mpesua so a ene woka Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ho ene no akwakọ premampani adwa setua pamu ena woche so mo ye mrantie a ye gi omudi ye na omu bu nipa suro nipa a omo atu omo ho asi wo se omo de omo kra omo nipadua ebebo afode amoman no na yentu abama wonum sense ye bekwa koyi obi a mu ye de kakra bi mano a odi atenie ene nsopa ne mpotwa ene be mane Ghana for.
This is a man who has respect for the people of Ghana. This is not a man who is going to tell the Ghanaian people that you have short memories. That is not the kind of man we have here. That is not the type of man we have here. He's a man who has respect for the people of Ghana. This is not somebody who's going to say to the Ghanaian people when his policies have failed that I am not a magician. That is not the language of Mahamudu Bawumia. That is not the sort of person that he is. We have here a man who is respectful and who will work night and day to make sure that our country continues on the upward trajectory. You have, in the business that we have chosen, some who blow with the wind. They say one thing today and they'll say another thing tomorrow because they believe that we have short memory. We don't remember their record. We remember their record. The record of failure. 5 presidents in Ghana. One unfortunately died in harness. But the other 4 that are left, I'm saying this because I know there are going to be a lot of first-time voters.
I was on for way a man Penina Nado Danko Kufado Yetin and Kway and Ratakradia Bontenso and Udina Pranti, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and Wadansi Sano.
Our Panyaba dear Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Raj Median was Sena or Hobby. Na Nanka Sene Bia a toss Sumona Ghana for a son of Soro I say. What was a fear but to a batuano a chero may dachepa. Sagani about me a drubasha sa seneso, Senia Ranua. Na erosa fia batoro bia hanani ne ehwase yebeto abapa aba for mine nsan ye chie na momu no yebetumi ato aneoma pa NPP amanyoko ti akonya so wonom ayeso enam saye so nti no ene wosra Ghana for say wo mo rosa fia bato no mo nsesa wonom nsa ne wo bato ama no Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia sane yebeye na woden sakra mapa abeba o mayimu na wada adwene wo akwa hunu say 11 no a aban de ba ye no baba ye adeso abato Ghana for so afei bet so ya no ya de to ato so no eno so ha Ghana for pa ya sa ne o ma mi enu wada adwene ho se nyame ya dom na oba betena konya so a wo ba no wadi nsia kantam na wayi ade afiri ho.
To enhance transparency and streamline services, we will be pushing further Ghana's leadership, led by my boss, Ghana's leadership role in achieving cross-border mobile money interoperability among other payment systems within the AFCFTA to enhance buying and selling within Africa's 1.4 billion consumer market. Ladies and gentlemen, we will also be creating a marketplace to streamline public sector procurement. As a result of the increase in fiscal space from the tax and expenditure measures we are going to undertake, we will be in a position to enhance the digital economy by abolishing the e-levy as well as taxes on mobile phones. We are also going to ensure in this digital economy that we are building that the Ghana card will not be required, that for any person who holds a Ghana card, you will not be required to fill a form to get a passport.
Abusiana chese eno Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne nsam de edoso pa na eno achi no na boafo sonko de maye Bawumia ne campaign team ye Dr. Kofi Tonto wono so kasa akira sato no a ye Bawumia ahye boss oba obaye afiri wona ho hia na wom so efo ne so
nipa kakra bi ene etiato amani papido ni enam sai de bia mo tisa aban esa ekwenfo so fa onipa kakra na ho se ni slow tia bi ku to say ye no ye not 1000 no ye na 500 and 500 I think I buy me se baby tia amama ye di amon ko do na say omo be tia na say ten cedis na me se obuntia do na awo den na 10 cedis ni mpono e kwanya me fa so a me do sa 10 cedis no man tia se that in 10 cedis no me ko tre 1 wa ha e na me ko tre 3 wa ha e na me ko tre 4 wa ha e na me ko tre 2 wa ha e na me ka bo mo na be 10 cedis enti ni pa na kasa no oni tia se na now fire would do that media maintiasi. I thought should be 10 cities in the Grammy. I okay. Anyway, and then now 10 cities. So we say so clear nothing. Now they are 800 and now 500. 500 Nimpodi are panic with you. If you say we shut and shame me, not if you come to a or my unity or unity, what will be okay. Anyway, when you be clear ACDs, I don't believe in a home. Now ACDs no so a baco, ya contribute free and contribute a baco metiasi in Nigeria. I buy any 800 versus 200 and now versus 500 cities and no pull or they are bar in the continent. And when I brought for custom, you say you are expanding the tax net and introducing tax compliance.
I was only attending Kai I Waffleson Kodema Yera Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia Dr. Kofi 20. I was on for Gusua de Mo MPP Amanyuko Natana Yene Enra de Jumedi Casio Mudi war a year at Manta Mutakradia Bonten. So now Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, we say or Yemra Svijani or Woman Svijima this year, a woman Shia South about to Persia Sotunchania or Sasso Ayatia Pemo and the Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia and the MPP Amanyuko in Munine Kabum a Mampeni Ejano don't for ya domoa December bosom de toson so abatua Ghana madisi lazy boot wemium aqua cotuono na ose Ghana for besre yen says ye she a kokromutu yata na yaka yen sakono saneno munsia ewa atwenem so twediam pono ebeti yem yakwa kotuaba December bosom de toson so a yen toaba ema mampeni a wo mo okro da mampeni a efri so obedi ade amanfo corruption ne ade yen fa bi mfore no ho da in Penyinsem Crada, see a say, ye quaco pama nipa, aquaco ninsem muse, where ye crom for Nasibia, wabokro no edda, or say Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, ne who song sabroba fita, says which the ma, if you think a kawabia dem dia bia, in Huebano corruption, catasia cronoa, was a papano, ne who song sabroba, Obasragana was a young to Abamano, na owajune pa, ewa kuma pawun to see a papa, or do minor, ever I
take my seat, His Excellency the President. Let me say this, and I'll say it again. I know Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. He is not corrupt. I will not be corrupted. In his public life, Mr. President, he has never been accused of corruption. And in his public life, he has never been investigated for corruption. I am sure and certain that you are giving an honorable man to continue where you left off. No matter what the naysayers say, Mr. President, he is not corrupt. He has never been accused of corruption. I am a strong believer, Mr. President, after listening to your record, personally, I am a strong believer in Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. I've worked closely than many more with him, than many more would ever know. I believe in his ability and his knowledge. And surely he's the man of the moment. I, Matthew Poku Prempe, I am committed to serving him loyally, to ensuring his vision is translated to a mission and an action purpose for myself. I know his vision is for a brighter, better, business-friendly country called Ghana. And I pledge to even work harder to support this vision. There is so much we can do, patriots, together if we pull all our hearts and minds together towards that common goal. That common shared purpose of victory 2024 December. Mr. President, nothing would make you happier. No legacy would ever pass the fact that on 7th January, your sword will be handed over to your Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
I was in for him, Danny Ranuan, and Seno, we a yet to Permo de my Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, a yet Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe, and a yetin game.
Amami Elizabeth, or Henry, board chair, what does Social Security and National Insurance Trust, SNIT, a Jumakono, no, and I watch us a Ghana for Bompaya. Yana, which Edian Ponce, Papa, Passe, and which fita. Any Yadaka Kaya Besio May Suano. Yanya Babiasa NPP are buying an attack Kunyaso. Sawa toto nioma padane nioma msakra nioma Ghana edaso tse de tia. Wase sanka baby na to so anka esese ankoma no yawie samoa ko ne adu ka Ghana tete apro na so ba bi o my Ghana kwakoduru na nipa pi no atumi ayi adwuma sa de bito de a na sa MPP aban won ma yade pa na wo sese ne o man ne yesibi MPP nsa na wo modane yese kohua wa bra ye mfiri ntoye no ye wona ase bi a MPP aren wo se ye de ma no na afia pato no yesan so to musu bio.
But our work is far from done. We must continue to identify the cracks and introduce and enhance social intervention programs that address the evolving needs of our society. We are committed to expanding such initiatives to ensure that every Ghanaian has access to the basic necessities of life in housing, education, healthcare, and more. The MPP government has a strong and unwavering commitment to inclusivity, equity, and justice. We have worked tirelessly during these 2 terms to accomplish these goals through targeted and bold social interventions. By enhancing existing programs, by restoring those that have been lost, and introducing new initiatives, we are building a society where every citizen, regardless of their circumstances, can live with dignity and hope. We ask for your support to continue to forge a path towards a more just and compassionate Ghana, where the vulnerable are not just supported, but empowered to thrive and lead dignified lives. Please remember, you are safe with the NPP.
I was aware about the chair, ya wada Senator Jimekuono ano Mame Elizabeth Ohene.
Observe safe no abeka en ho ayeka wo se Sompa television ye wi apram to breka se na nsa no ba bia wo bia no yeguso ayede ma style bia no wadwenche no nsusu obetimi dia ba beka en wabra o kan wo ye social media platforms awodo no nyina so oko Facebook wa Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM na YouTube so Sompa TV Ghana wadwenche no nsusu ye o de ba beka en ho a yeguso aye beka se no mamuo no ye bekenkan ede amamo Sauti enka obono ni afuma ntem ne mu a Sompa 98.9 FM ena oti enka oso no sawo obono east ya Sompa 90.7 FM ekutemu ena asante mantem ne mpota mu nyina Sompa 93.1 FM so ekura yemu yemfamo enfra manyosemo ento akase no so mfama mfanko nei apomde ne ho nsemu na epenimpa wo no ene National Health Insurance Authority eso Bono East mantem no mu Ora George Opon Dankwa na ode ensema tuga ne se adehye won mpotam ho no de omani ku ho pa apomdene a kese ahoden kwatenten a ahoden wom na omo aniku ho ne koba saa so a na kese yapomdene ho nsansam ya asabia ye bekọ na doctor fo omo ahwe yen twotwuro no di amayen ye benya bi ato na ye de ahwe yapomdene ho nsansam anu nti na tran ne bekọ so a de dwuma se beye na adehye a wo mayi mu ene Bono isene ne mpotam nyina yapomdene ho nsansam ebesi piesi tade amaye
okono ya sign enso the Mokai and the Bohunda for childhood cancers and also the Abeka. Actually, the automatic reviewer will be a Senate contributor and now a Senate pensioner. Not so health insurance in war. The money also better see can yeah. O system no. O on my system na ewu na system na renew amount. And to go say number no a phone na use no sa number na dey registration na obenya message e was say o membership no ya renew amount free unto your Senate contributors na Senate pensioners afi na say ya be na watwini na say na employee a new CEO ono so na niso ademu no say I didn't say ni pakra tina wo yare ansana akọ hospital Yana idea yenya de wo kura no check up. Ye check up. Into one ma bo se kum no ko si na me ni na han man no ya o. It's not ya de no adokoro no ho so many years. O ko check up. and we say again, especially BP and hypertension. If you hold my open the power, say BP, who be saying, say, what for check up or so, there be, and what no the so that protect him. It's a new CEO, no, so now don't say, or say a boy who buying. You can say prevention is better than cure. It's also the preventive and promotive health care. About I'm paying for the automatic say about national health insurance benefit package no.
Observe nti we ya femu nyina adwuma National Health Insurance Authority mpanimfo aye obono East Mantem ne mo na opening power da adwuma na no ho no mo Ora George Opon Dankwa na oboboso kakra ede kire ne nhihye ya omo ede egu akwam ne no akire na opening power no so na hwani amansa de nkomo ema National Health Insurance Authority adwuma no ewo eye bono East Mantem ne mo Ora Franco Poku esoso ede kakra esoso se yewo ayasabia ne bi ho no mo a omo eje health insurance then so be ko hono no kese e kafoforo so a won be chechire e de aso awo ya no a wo beje ayaresa na se oba behwe na pom e wo matena ye no empimanim ye omodwene ho omonti ase ento de kokoba ko e de ama hospitals ne omo share health insurance adwumane mu no so bibia be wa adwene se odi bukata kwa so e charge amanfo sikafo no embra ene obedi
benefit package ni bia ichaka under no circumstances now the because a patient interested debi itwini na me ka some na ko debi ase me kwase e ko takwada che me ka say woni so ko holy family a necessary ho no me ye abushafo no doctor say we nyina abushafo ye hu ya na wo woni kai sa na cover ase en cover so ena wo je musika ye won kofo ma won nim ba bi kompo na rich hospital maybe na obi akasa to na yi e fa say kiti ya de test blood don on dey sin nche access kana obi o je obi test this e kon potum ni wa nye obi na o so check the blood no obi ko PD o ko ya quick masa ko obi you check the test blood there's no obi at all on the kit na ko si won the nurses on the on collaborate with the nurses until you be also check your blood. No, I don't test this. No, I can't be. Nippon boy outside will need facility or can't be. But the monies they want to make, and normally yes, I don't know. In under no circumstances was a patient JCD. But the make a person go. The beer cover, but the can't be as a mono is. The fear of his bar, the problem part that I think I can answer. If I say, pharmacy say, what I say. Pharmacy who be pharmacy one kasa wo social responsibilities the man of so the yes can go as o kan enti so obi ko facility na so ko pesika the man ko pedro fa so ko e o mo se ko fampo no so ka che okay o se ko va the trauma no atro e di amano
Observe nti we ene penimpa ohwani amansa di nkomo ema National Health Insurance Authority adwuma no ewo eye bono East Mantem mu ora eye Franco Poku ana na ocheche nsemo de akere nti pharmacies ne de agya de health insurance card duru ho no mo a eye parani amon bi nko awu ene ye de be ma we no ena obo mo kokosa de ne ho
Aya kwansan foforo mo kana so for ya o shadanse ni fidinwuma wonsam so ro Samuel atacha de atudwa wase asamba ko no so na sentem abagentra ha awo social media na so na nkrofo twene sra ne abasa ewi akire kora ebo mampanyini ote akonya so achi ni ade no wase wo su se andisi amanyuko no na hyehye akire ya wo mudi sa adwuma no na asaja pade document no a ene ya ba ye hunu nipa kora wo tworo ye mpo ewi akire mpo yase yewura na danko akufuado wona sabio na jawo no ene achasa achemfo apese won fa o man na japade bi ndomu mutena so ne ade no wose sa hye ne document no wona na monten so no nyina da no nipa bi no boapa eno modi sa adwuma no na wono na da ye sumu ne ani sode hunu bi e wo hu no achro ne perfesa andisi amanyoko no ene nam sumasia won ba sha won mutu mfuturo de gu Ghana fo ani na ye hu aban ye ote sabio wo abonsa bonsam wonye wobasa Ghana abahyehyɛ ɔman foforo kora ɛwɔ yewura nadanko akufo adodin a ɛno no nya ban no botaye anani suade hunu wɔso ɔbasra sa nneɔma no wɔnenam no Ghana fo montungu ne ahwɛ dache papa mampanyi nado ane abanye odi so yi wo mo ede brome.
It's extremely infantile to know that a thief will document the modus operandi and the step on paper. So I'm tempted to believe that probably it's NDC that has forged this document. Because no sane person will believe that, let's write a document for our own self-disgrace. It's a piece of nonsense that we shouldn't pay attention to.
Narrator and carrier can also for ya or shot don't see any human some so or Samuel Atachia.
Yeah, for more. From Concransa South about Pessia, so not the Ojina and I say, Emraswe Jenny or Womeraswe Yefima, this year war, and Cransa South about Pessia, Honorable Emmanuel Kweju Ejukum. Na Pape Waya Mamreni and Manie, Emani Kusibune can say a year multi-purpose sports complex or Pountma, a what named Pessiano Soa, a Bebuama, Yaha Goody Wunsen, some a tumpone, some multi-purpose sports complex, a yeka wansemi, yes, say, any football pitch womb, basketball, volleyball court so etium and a tennis table tennis court ne netball facilities ina ewumu bi na ekokopie eye kwabre senior high school a ewo eye nimpesua no so na emre omo ya amamre ne amane ne wapa hontuma no ode nsempi no atudwa echichire mu emfaso a sa adefefa obi anu edebebra dehia ewo nimpesua no so ene omamu no nyina.
Was a school without anything. It was a school without even government as such. And from the Reverend Bishop and the rest of the guys here, there were about 7 or 8 guys who visited me and said, we need to do something. And lo and behold, the history is we have Primary Senior High. All what I have for you is education, education, education. And this is what I want to tell you. Education is what? It's a critical success factor. Without education, you have challenges in your life. Work towards what you are here for. And working towards what you are here for is for you to study. I don't expect you to have just a senior high education. I think in Rwanda South, I've not seen any problem like this. Even in Rwanda Town itself, we don't have anything like this. You need to protect it. You need to work and make sure you develop it.
I was on phone to way I am Raswig and your woman Raswig Fima this year war and Cransa South about Pessia Honorable Emmanuel Koju Ejukum Yeten and Kane. Now and watchly headmaster or that Quabre senior high school and no Reverend Amo Apo so I was for Ejina a year school no name umpedim for Nkwala and yana name with the PC a comma honorable was had a fifia why ye a day a school may be back crooning na.
In fact, today is one of the happiest days of my life. I sat down with my assistant headmasters and then we visited our dear MP, Sompa Emmanuel Kweju. So we met and sat down with him and we put all our problems before him. And at the end of the day, looking at the problem that we had, and especially not having a flood, and we have been training and having our stores in town. He said that government, I will come and then consult the people for you. And he is a person, whatever he says, he also wants. That's it. So this product now we are here to inaugurate it or to hand over to the school is considered like our honorable Sompa.
I was on phone to a headmaster or Quabre Senior High School Award in Cransa South about Pessia so Reverend Amwa Peu and Yetin in Kenina a MPA or Raswig Fima this year war in Cransa South about Pessia so at the Fefa or ye at the Dum Kruno and a Yesuku Nina. Na Mamen Kwa Manoso Busia, not Yanko D and Komokakra, a war a Humano so the year tetie and ne area and they say, yes, say, in Sion Yaya Dene. wo sire mu nyina sɛ ye ne ye wo kumase ye wo sunyan ye wo ebia goso bebi bia ye wo nkra pomprema ntemo ade achi ade sɛ nyina ye hu sɛ nsuo tɔ na epete nom ne ade no ye se okosire mu a nsuo no kyese emunampo ene mpese akwakoto ene mpese bia anadwo no bosuo bi kura akwakopete amamanfo yam hyehye wonum sɛ wanwe ya ebema aduane ho akwakoye dene ewo mayimum eno nti yankwa oma no so de ne opene Bismarck Owusunko din komo Peasant Farmers Association of Ghana on e pene kwanchefo da no yene no eni hunkomo pene utimenka ewe yemu aha ema wakwaba
metimo so na be chete for ina
mejime di se ohun ye
anadom ho ye fana mo so
erade adom yeso so ye ho ye ya te se sa de we se nye sire mu nko ye se voter region nom baby wo so a nsuo ne emunampo ne mpese ato eba ne se ya hu a eye edema omayi eye de
yo me da se akwan ni awode amame no no kre outside the planting season we shall say no na ye eduafo no na ye show say debiano area issue to a ema ye number dey sana ye be yewi o she Ghana ye pa every afibia yenya ye good at debiano mostly because bia whether no e favorable that is issue no do a bright set so e to ye pa na afi so sound expectation no na e come be e now, unfortunately, no, I quite say in Sana about that situation, because over the past few months, that a year reports if you remember so across the country, all reports now about same, but it goes beyond the northern part of the country. We share part of water region, Uti region, if you know, also air cost for Wintini. In Kuranzana, that report the greatest issue. No, I say it's really in the end. It also for the past 1 month and 2 months, almost issue at all as I said so. And we idea, I could say how big we are my geography because we share Ghana areas now, and my Uganda power mine, mostly a middle belt, a bono areas now, a copy free. That's the food basket of the country. A lot of production happens. It is a period it's really good weather. Now in production from that area, it's just a idea it's a situation it's not looking good. Now there are some areas to come for. Come train a year say no and shaft here. Now Mundi by and someone the friend of transplanting. But to call it now, no, on my assassination. And so you shouldn't have the tour, and I must assassinate so I already know maybe I'm so no toda. It is a assassination that would say. It is apart from the fact, say, we are having a lot of crops now, because if you went on, and you saw assassination that home to you in Jeffrey was who call assassination crops no over the state there. Now, can someone here is no more now it's not more kama. But we share with across the state in Namibia, we show Tompoa, which means Yafa, the name Mubo, Nabani. It's a idea, a happy papa, na a Yanshinia, my Ghana, in the next few months, you're getting some Rankui. You say, a month will be a casa, with a new boy. Now, the Yamakui, I'm sure I don't know Bono, and so on. That's how possible because situation happens in Bayaro.
Na miso aba ne say sa no agric ministry no omo ye de na e de afa ho e na mo so as an association no e de ade na mo ye de afa ho ye tena ho a amana akwa koduru point a eduano ho be den de am mining nyina na e de ne ye de afa ho
we share agric ministry na I think no na mo ye the first point of call because ebano or mine be ya or mine we mu ye ebano agric won send Ediane won send production Ghana omo military in charge nti omo de na nka mo de ni pa say e bi say no eso ye we na they are rewo efa situation no say yenim say every season Ghana Ghana Meteorological Agency for no omo ye de efa no seasonal forecast na seasonal forecast no e ho na omo patches seasonal forecast no e ho na omo che say Maybe every season, this is the weather situation. Maybe I feel better and I say, sure and talk. Now, information is I can say, I am met to follow all the information, I'm a ministry for the say. Maybe a few way, you shouldn't say that in the end. If the ministry had this information long time ago, and I can almost be like somebody can hear. Moreover, Obaka should say, I buy way about or the program be by one district, one village, one dam.
Yes.
Just say, or no, some program, no, every village be a one northern Ghana, no, or better say, or better constructive dam also. Now, the BC here, a year careful to now rely on dams, and show. But unfortunately, we are moving that dams in the choir. The expectation of a dam, any dam year to one, and because at this time now, some is here and show no, you call them no, so we need to impose a dam in Paris. And so, how do you spend a lot of money so we sit down? Meanwhile, I'm not here and show no, you need to sit down more. I tell you, who you are. And now, Obeka Iswa, just about some few minutes ago, yet you say, Ghana Bank has spent over 11.8 million. Say, you do choir Palugu. As if can in number, you do choir mobilization. You know, a year will say, or my no, as or my no, since independence, no, you to me, who say, a year in Sacre, no, Eba. And there's no country in the world that always rely on issue, so finding nuclear. Every serious country, they are ensure, say, or put in place enough irrigation mechanism. Say, anytime you want to be on, you don't know, like, but on my Ghana and quite, then say, yeah, no, dear customer, you have some say, yeah, they are no car, yeah, co pisca, yeah, co physical, meanwhile, problem will solve. So that's the major issue. Actually, I buy any guy when it's a year corner. Yeah, no, you're holding this. It's the only latest we can do is to encourage our families. About a year weather information. We advise them. Say, yeah, who could do a brewer, or different varieties. There was short duration. They say there would be if you are about 2 months and now we 60 days we don't harvest it. They don't use no. Almost year, almost Juma now. Almost share the benefit of sustainable farming practices. Say there will be oh dear, we beans because beans were a cover crop, a protected soil on the and tompa. So now you're moist. We try to do that, but you're holding a wolf because we are a group of limited resources. Into the expectation is that you will need a buy back towards you promote but unfortunately we are not having that sort of support to my final. Only few for never yes, sir. I don't draw now we have support to the that's the trend that we are facing.
Yo, Mr. Osu, my main for Unsia, na Yagusu, ye didn't come on anymore. You do baby near Bessaswa here, Ubiwa, Yasaso, Bopun, Maria, Yamin Shapa, and what that when you're yo. As a 4 penny, a best Marco Usunia and Aquacudin Kumone, a penny concher for the Peasant Farmers Association of Ghana.
Yakoswana Yabomon Kaya said, Nipadiani near Dajania, my dear. Awa foforo no kura na sakoba se wo ho no hu se wo to asentini no etwenwo ade aba na moro mu emotwetwen emu adududu aye wo se de obi aba odua ama wo sisi achia de ba onamu no emu hyehye wo mu ye wo ya hwesa wo de woni be kyeremu 21st clinic akache na adokotafo ahwewo ebia na siatika yade na eyi ne tie na nso ni mu nti na wo de akwa se yade foforo na ehawo 21st yanka nche se one more branches and one more baby no 15 near Chey on a war mayimu. A fay one more laboratory centers or scan one bay be massage. Nina umdo for fem now want to me at all and tem. Baby on for one of them channels a cell question overseas Johnson. One more by Alpha Radio. A fay was say council quarters Court Junction. And cry your Dome Market to Sunyan and Kranza and at Chiman 0540 311 0540311311 Liberty Conference no so enie nyame ya domo a 31st August aya hye nso we ampaya eja nyame wo sra no esane na achecha de agu obia so wo se wo sra ne nti nkonu nyina be papaye enokore na beba mu agera me no mienu yesinkete reta so se yakokodi ade amayane abusua nyina wo man ne ya dubu ache woro na egina muo na wahwe Sompa ne hu nyoma nyina da betumi awiam die afa ya jontofo ya to nsade afra wonom eye wura ko fi pepra kwako jesi baby na minister Kwame Jedu wono so aka ho anopa no sia kan ni ahya se Jubilee Park entia no wahye no so ade amaye brabi na nyame nhira ento engu so Express Group ne de wotu kwan ana akwanto mu nsampi no na adoso na so so udi nchimu a wobetwa nkoso wo baabi Express say brana wo mo a wate wokwa kosua de wokwa kwaye adwuma scholarship bi na wo pesa wokwa visa na won sa pesa ka hwese wo ne beche mu Express Group one month na one maboa wo Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany baabi biada yakwa ye bia no kokuma so wasa labor runabout and Kanashi First Light 0249 000448 0249 000448 yana nanwa kuyafo akwaba ne se nua na yedam asesa se madawro menti ne ne yeda so te ase se mo anko na mankwata ayesu ampa aduane amfa ma yebeda ne yedidi enenti ho akwa pa se munya fertilizers papa ne yebabua mo ama mo no ba na so do so na mo de ba adwama so ayato ne ntem ade amamo OCP fertilizers ane yakanfo de amao papa enya samketuama yada adwene ho ahunu se nei ensuo ne nto efom wa yerese na onya fertilizer papa de gusonso a eboa ma no bae no etumi nyine yie ye wo OCP NPK 15 ana ye wo OCP NPK 10 emu bia no kwana obisa no bae kura wo de ye adwuma no a won be fertilizer ne bi diama wo 0555 909 437 0555 909 437 afai mizo ana 5G ya kan for diamao na wotwena wie ya one mom de mizo di dwuma bi ehunu se eye papa etiapo apomde pa ewom afai na wote yanka hweso obekwa akotobi mia ya wodo ya to drinks fa kan wode ho na hwese ne to ne bese bi akọ 0246 270221 0246 270 Three Herbal Center aya 3 core capsules so one more drone ye papa say was here to sisi ade na se wo kokko ne wayam tim ebekwa ma ho sanso sisi won so wo kokko na Herbal dan Herbal Misty ane ye pedan kaya bisa se wo pe 3 core capsules kokko master drone 0546 107 0546 107 107 Cloud Internet and the other home so Cloud say and control CCTV camera on install be diamond Wi-Fi digital security locks web hosting and the DBA die for internet so 24/7 ejana so diamond top high 111 FM shenimu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 I was so rushing ye generally at time when ye ba ye bako wanchi kroponi mara hosam asi ye bako fa ediabesomo
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntiabaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
akuafo yi afuye na saduru hobi mu enti wo dwedwe fertilizer afiwe ube yusu ana esan se afra se fertilizer woto ye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nso do so e ma woboka ani atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ajuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omo so edo legumes ebitise soya beans peanuts and beans omo so enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton kuayo nyoma ewo man Ghana mu anoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yekina kwa Ghana ene Africa kuayo
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afeina mebeko menkrata krani
hey eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otedi musa no
oh Express Group Adarumenti akwentu ayefo opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany say a to ana se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia and Germany mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Akwa Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout wa Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light Tema Omo Community 18 Lashebi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Ahumachro for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Oja sum kron moja.
Yay! Edru hopiemu food for thought addition. Omayini ya wedubuachi. Onyame akuwa. Ofremu nyina. Se Augusti. Onyame nemu appointment. Asemu ayakasa ho. Ose there hit. Wo ifre asomafo semo. Etiadi onu nwoche. Nyi mu miensa na David nyom. Etiadi owache baako. Nyi mu Jubilee Park. Kumase anopa no sia pepepepepe. Na de ube enie. Ose for plain paper na plain sheet. Mienu dia nyina. Jogu baako so. Na sadam wo pepo jefunu media ha nyina. Ya
hye no wo ba ko aka ho eniema papa wo pese si wo wabrabo eno so twero no wo so hyane so sa eye candle akwankyere na fa wo candle ba ko ka ho na no na ye beso ye dia bompai Liberty Conference August edition the heat ye be bompai ye be bom na wonyame beties ni boy ni so o man ni ye wadu boache na ho fadie ebe nyame made adwumtufo ni ora kwaku jesi minister Kwame Jedu minister Kofi Pepra one na bet so chom ahokeka kwan heat August 31st proposi prempa obodu poko Calvary pema kokodrufo the friend is that what sere dom no be Kenya ne ho ye be kaya tamfo egu oh glory hallelujah one more time
Sompa TV Emma Aketiapa.
I was here was somewhat chain, some no as Sinyame Adumo and Numero Siaka Sibumu. Yabako when she Kroponimara was Sanka says one am so many pabako at 10 and no. Yadamunchi mo ababa sumna prempaya de Yadia Sada and Marco Quavernica Janto. Akosia Sumwaya Grace, Boozy, and then Kainina Reverend Michael and Happy. Yadamunina Mwasidamwasi, or Ross and Tia Bob Benedict and the son for penny. Yes, Robertana Senator, we can kind semi. Adama war a yeme. Akosia a jewa kwa dear Boatin. Mene. Nana ya bo malibia boga. Nana ya share. Yanko. Yanko why?
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Men krata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group Adarumenti, akwentu aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say aye to anase visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, anase South Korea. If you also want to